I'm going to give you my real, honest, true opinions about this. My first thing, let me just tell you before I even use it, because I haven't used it yet. It feels very lightweight. It almost feels like it's not even real.
It has a very nice, soft carrying bag. It has the soft piece that goes on top of the firm piece so that we can press the hats. Also has the pressing iron, which is very cool. It has a curved iron so that it works well with a curved surface.
I'm going to let this heat up to 385 degrees and we'll see just how long it takes to reach that temperature. So it's already on 340 degrees. It's heating up very fast in my opinion.
This is so cute. I love this HTVRONT hot heat press. I like the color and design. And the insulated base looks super safe.
I think it's very easy to use. I think it's cute and lightweight and portable, and there was nothing confusing about it to me. I think that it's a good purchase. I don't have anything negative to say about it at all.